Welcome back to my channel.
No! You're...
Hey guys, it's Jessie. Welcome back to my channel. You are now watching The Misfits. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Jessie from The Misfits.
Here we go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands.
Today we'll be making chicken tenders. So I went to Walmart. And here are the ingredients that you guys are gonna need in order to make that. First thing, not really the first thing, but one of the ingredients that you're gonna need to make this is, of course, chicken breast boneless. Usually what I do is I use at least one or two, and I'll show you guys how to do that later on. But with one or two, it makes a lot of chicken tenders, so you guys would be good on one or two. And then the other thing that we're gonna need is, this is optional, Goya adobo. You know, I'm Mexican, I like my seasoning. We're gonna season the chicken with this. We're also going to need paprika. You could get this at your Aldi store, your grocery store, anywhere. We're also going to need garlic powder. Of course, one of the most important ingredients will be flour. And we'll be using 3 eggs. To mix it, we are going to use milk. Doesn't matter what kind of milk. You would also use breadcrumbs. I am trying a new one today. It's Italian style. Of course, oil. Not sponsored. I already got my 2 breast chickens right here. Now we're gonna rinse them to wash off any bacteria that we have. We'll come back to this once I have the chicken ready and cut, and we can go from there. So now we're done cutting the meat. I did have to grab a 3rd breast just because I feel like it's not gonna be enough for both of us. We are going to be mixing the milk with this. Usually what I learned is grab at least like a cup full of milk, or in my case, if you have a bowl, at least fill it up maybe towards the middle. Then we're gonna crack the eggs. This is what's gonna make the flour and the breadcrumbs sticky so it doesn't fall apart. I'm going to mix the milk and we'll come back to this, okay guys? Okay, so the batter is already mixed. Now we're gonna be adding flour into this bowl. If you have a bowl like mine, or you do not know any measures like I do, you just wanna eyeball it, just always fill it up in the middle. I promise you that. I've already done this several times and it always comes out looking good. Now you're gonna be adding the breadcrumbs on another plate. Now what we're going to do is we'll be adding paprika, garlic powder, and the Goya adobo into my chicken and mix it up. So I added 2 little taps of paprika and garlic powder into my chicken. I'm going to be adding just a little bit, tiny bit of adobo on top to mix it up. Give it some flavor. What you're gonna do is just mix the meat. If you feel like, for example, me, that I'm doing a lot of meat, that you missed or you need more flavor or more condiments in your chicken, go ahead and add more. Now we're gonna be adding the meat into the pan. I just turned on the heat, so it should be heating up any minute. What I like to do is I like to add vegetable oil. So we're gonna let the oil boil for a few minutes. While the pan is boiling the oil, I'm gonna start dipping, going back and forth into my ingredients, and then start setting it on the frying pan. The first thing that I like to do is I like to dip it on my milk and egg batter, then dip it on my flour, and then going back to it. It is going to make it sticky, that's why I'm saying you should wear gloves. And then do it again, one more time, and then dip it on the thing. While that one is getting ready, we are going to start making more. Okay guys, so now that I demonstrated the process and how to do it, we're going to keep doing it over and over again for every single little piece that we have here, and then we'll come back to it once we're all done, okay? Guys, so this is how much we were able to make with just 3 chicken breasts. It's quite a lot, so I'm sure it's going to fill us up. It was easy to make, guys, so I recommend this if you guys ever want to cook at home. Just a quick little meal. This is easy to do. Preparation wise and cooking wise, it took me like about 20 minutes or so to make, so it's not that bad. Okay guys, so that was it. That was the end of today's cooking video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and like. Make sure you guys share this video with everyone else. Go ahead and try one out and see how they taste like. I will be using my favorite Sweet Baby Ray's creamy buffalo wing sauce.
Now, may I say, this is what you call a chicken nugget or a chicken tender. These are huge. And you made all this with
three breast chicken breast.
Well, yeah guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to also hit the bell button so that you guys get notified.
Notifications, yeah.
Alright Jesse, so this is a moment of truth. Let's see how good they came out.
How are they?
Oh, actually I like it because it does give it a little bit of garlic flavor, which is a little twist. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And peace.
Bye.